Why do you have to stress yourself to make a long French coil wig which you cannot maintain? Instead, you make this short French coil boho wig. This video, I will teach you how to. So you need your dome wig cap, French coils. For this, we use 2 packs of French coils. Then our crocheting pin, 5x5 closure, needle and thread. So we're going to place our dome cap on our mannequin head. You place it rightly the way you want to place yours. Then I use my pin to fasten it on the mannequin head so that it will not pull off. You get? So I'm going to place a 5x5 closure on the mannequin head. You know, 5x5 closure, it's almost like 4x6, you get. So you're going to place it as if you're placing your normal frontal. That's your 4x6 frontal. It's going to have this M shape. So we're going to start sewing. I have a detailed video of how to sew your closure to your wig cap. It's on my channel. So this is just a summary video. So you're going to make sure that you sew it very well to the cap so that when you do your wig, your closure will not get loosened easily. So you're going to knot it very well. So after this part, we're going to draw our guideline, 5x5 closure guideline. So for that, you place your tapu on the wig cap like this with pin. Then you trace 1 inch from below. So getting to 2 inch to the closure, 2 inch to the closure, you will mark half an inch. You get to 1 inch at the down, then 2 inch to the closure, half an inch. That means you have 4 half an inch to the closure. You can see it like this. So we're going to start. So this is the French coil. We all know French coil. Use this one, original French coil, for this. So this first one, we're going to cut it into 3. That's, I said that we are using 2 French coils. So the first one, cut it into 3 so that we use it at the back. So we're going to start crocheting on the line. You crochet it like this, then you braid a little bit. After braiding a little bit, yes, you don't braid it to the down. Why? Because we said it's a boho. It's a boho French coil. So you're going to tie it. You know now, you knot it very well because this is short, and if you don't knot it very well, you're going to easily lose. So you're going to knot it very well because it is a short French coil. Yeah, so you can see we're going to do another one. Crochet it like this. Look at you, bring it out. Then it's not a normal braid. No normal braid. You have to crochet a little bit of braid, then you braid it as if you're braiding hair. But this one you just crochet it at once and braid. Just do it like this. Mind you, I forgot to tell you, before crocheting, you want to wet your French coils, yes, so that you can get that firm hold. French coils, this extension is very slippery. So you need to wet it to get a firm hold. For a faster approach, I would like you to crochet 1 line. Crochet your French coils extension on 1 line. I told you that you're going to wet the French coil. So before that French coils will get dried, you need to crochet everything on 1 line. Then you start braiding. Instead of crocheting then braiding, it will slow you down. So if you crochet 1 line at once, then start braiding, it will be good. So this is what I'm doing, crocheting 1 line at once before braiding it. As you get closer to the closure, you start braiding closer to each other. You can see you start braiding closer to each other. So getting to the 4th line, that's the 4th line to the closure. I told you the 4th line is half an inch. So we're going to start doing our boho. So to do boho, your boho braid, you braid a little bit, like 3 or 4, then you bring out small. You can see as I'm doing it, bring out just small from that your braid, then you continue braiding. You can see I'm going to do another one. If you don't understand this one, then you tie as usual. You don't braid to the end, you tie and knot as usual. So we're going to do another one for you to know what I am saying. Okay, you bring out another French coil braid. For this, you need a larger French coil braid. You know that you're removing small, so you don't want it to be as little as when you started it. So you start braid a little bit, then from one of the braiding hair, you just bring out small. Just bring out small. You can see, I hope you saw that part. Bring out small, then you continue braiding till the end, then you knot. not 3 times, tie a loop 2 times. That is it. It will be strong. So this is basically it. So you just do the same thing till you get to the top. You braid on top of that closure line. You braid it closely like this. As I said, as you get upper, you braid closer. You get, so that everything will cover up. You can see. So now let's braid our closure. It's time for our closure. Yeah, so I parted the hair into 3, 2 sides, then the back. So this part, I'm going to cut the hair. Yeah, the closure hair. That we are doing short braid, and the closure hair doesn't need to be long. And I'm going to stretch it. I'm stretching it to get that thin hair, so that it will be thin, to not be thick. The French coils extension is not thick, so the braiding hair needs to align with it. You can see that we are done. Later we're going to trim out those excess hair. So I'm going to be showing you how I braided this front part. So I'm going to use this one as an example. You can see that I've already divided it into several parts. So I am dividing it. You see, it's almost the same thing. You know how to braid a hair now. Just braid it. Make sure it's very tight though. French coils is very silky. You don't want it to pull off from the root. So you're going to braid it very well. If you watch what I'm doing, you will see. Also, this part we're going to be doing boho braid. You saw that I brought out that little part. I brought out that little hair from it. So I'm going to do the same thing. Not very well. Don't worry, don't mind this excess braiding hair that is showing, that black braiding hair. You're going to trim it off and it will be good. So this is it. So I'm going to do another one. Yeah, so watch closely. Watch closely as I am braiding this second one now. Just watch it. So you bring out your French coil extension, divide it into 2. If you want to use my style of braiding here, this is what I am doing. Then you get your firm hold, you braid. Make sure it is firm. I'm repeating it. Make sure it is firm. This French coil is very tricky. It looks easy, but it's not. You can see that I brought out that little strand of hair to get that boho effect again at this part. Then you continue braiding. When you get to your desired length, you'll notice. I forgot to tell you, we started using the second French coil extension. We are using 2. I've already used 1 at the down, and this second one we cut it into 2. This is what we are using at this top. Yeah, into 2. Cut 2 of that French coil. We are using it at this top. So basically we are done braiding. Yeah, so it's time to trim this excess black hair coming out from the braid. I told you earlier that we're going to trim it, that you should not have any fear. So just braid a thing like that. Then after braiding, you're going to trim it like this, and everything will be clean. So after trimming the hair, you're going to mix conditioner and water in a rubber or bottle like this, and you're going to pour it on this hair to be like this, because we are trimming it. We're about to trim it. So you're going to make sure you stretch the hair down, yes, so that you have your desired length. You trim everything at once. It's a short boho French coil. You need it to be short. You need it to be short. So this is it, so that you can maintain it. French coil is not easy to maintain, so you can maintain it. Because I'm done trimming it, you can see it's still wet. We lost a lot of hair. That's why you need to do that cut straight at the down, so that you will not lose too much hair. Yeah, you can see that it is dried. It is dry. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Bye.